Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smart website within deal.ai. So let's just say I have a car wash business and I need to make a website for it. So I'll go into my deal.ai dashboard, go to smart websites on the left, and now I'm on that page. And so now I can click on new website and I can say Dave's Car Wash. That's my website. So it'll create it. And there it is. I click on that. Now I'm entering the pages view for this particular website. So now I can click on new page. We'll call it, let's say, home. We'll give it a path of home. So that'll be /home when you go to the URL. And then I hit next. And let's go with a blank template. Create that there. Wait a few seconds for that to create. Very nice. And now let's make one more page. So if I do new page and let's say about page, we'll do /about and hit next. We'll also do a blank template here. So I'm just making the pages for my website, then I'll edit them as well. All right, so there's my about page. So let's go back to the home page. So I'll click on that right here. Now let's click on edit page. So usually when I edit a page, I start out by adding a section. So I'll put a section here and I'll put a headline in here. I'll call it Dave's Car Wash. And let's add another section with an image. So let me just drag in here an image. And let's put a car. Let me just let it upload and then I click on it. Now, as you can see, it's quite large. So if I click on this, let's actually go to Styles, Advanced, Dimension. Let's set a width of 100%. That should keep it on the screen there. All right, so I'm going to save these changes. And there's one more thing I need to add. So I don't know if you noticed, but when I created the pages, let me just go back for a second just to show you the menu here. So when you create pages for a website, by default, the pages are added to the website menu. Now I can drag and drop to move a page out of the menu, but generally you'll want the main pages to be part of the menu. So that way, when you go to edit the page, you'll see this hamburger menu option here. I can drag and drop that right here. And there we go, we have our two pages. So if I drag a page out of the menu, then it'll be removed from this menu here. And you can edit this, so I can change the font. Let's try Courier New. Let's try that. There we go. Let's save that. Now let's edit the About page. So let's go back here. Let me click on About, Edit Page, and let's go full width again. Let's put a headline. And let's say About. And let's put another picture on this page. So I think I have another picture here. Let's drag in the image. Let me click here, car 2. Let's see, did it upload? Okay, it uploaded, so let me put that here. Click on the image again. Let's go to Styles, Advanced, Dimension. Let's do 100% width so that it doesn't go off the page. Actually, let me call this About Us. It's like an About page. And then lastly, let's again drag in the hamburger menu onto this page. And there it goes. Let's go with the same font as before. So again, I click on this div here that outlines the entire menu. Then I go to Styles, General, and then I can change this font here to Courier New. So let's save these changes. And once that saves, we can go back and let's go over here. Let's go back to the home page. Now I can click on this, either this button or this button to open the preview link. So there we go. Here's the page. Now if I click on About, it's now on the About page. So it's working. We have our little website. We have our menu. Now let's do one other thing just to kind of finish it up. let's go to settings for the website and let's assign a domain name. So I already added a domain name in the domains drop down here. So if I go to domains, I added my own domain and I already pointed that domain at our deal.ai IP address. So that's already been done in my domain provider. So once that's done, I can go over here and go to the settings for the website. And let's give this a second here. And then, yeah, once it's loaded, I can select my domain, hit save. And then once that's saved, I can go back here. And then as you can see, the URL is my domain and then the path of the page. And if I want to change the path of the page, I go to publishing and I can change that right here. In fact, I can set the path to blank, but I might have another funnel already on that path, so I won't do that. But you can make it a blank so that it'll just be your a blank path so that it'll just be your domain here. But let's see how this looks if I click on this link here. So now you can see it opens up with my domain. Then I click on these menu items and it goes between the pages. So there we go. We have a functioning website on my own custom domain, and that's how you do it.